What is affiliate marketing and is it right for you? In today's video, we're going to be going over the 5 benefits of being an affiliate marketer and why you deserve to be in an affiliate business. Well, affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product either online or offline and making a commission. Now, some people make full-time income or even more than full-time income doing this, and some people just want to do it as a part-time income. So if you're serious, you want to do this, make sure to stay all the way to the very end. A huge benefit of affiliate marketing is the time freedom you get to enjoy. And there's no one telling you when to start, when to stop during your day, and you can even bring your little ones and raise your kids on the go. As long as you have Wi-Fi, your cell phone, or your laptop, you are set to go in affiliate marketing. No risk. With affiliate marketing, you literally have no inventory cost. Think about if you were gonna start a brick and mortar business. You're gonna have thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars wrapped up in inventory costs. And then with other companies out there, like multi-level marketing companies, you have that auto ship. So with affiliate marketing, there's none of that. You send your potential client a link. They click that link and it drop ship the product directly to them, leaving you no risk. With affiliate marketing, you can earn income while you sleep. Imagine waking up to your cell phone, looking at your sales report, and you've made a couple of $1,000s overnight. Well, this is possible with affiliate marketing, especially when you get your campaigns set up for you and all your digital assets. They're running 24/7 working for you. How would you like to have the potential to save yourself thousands of dollars a year in taxes because of being an affiliate marketer? Well, I'm here to tell you it is possible, because when you're an affiliate marketer, you're now a business owner, and now you open up all these benefits. Things like deductions, your cell phone, your traveling expenses, your meals, your entertainment, your hotels, your vehicles, all can become tax benefits to you. Whereas as an employee, that's not so. You literally have 0 tax deductions. So if you're excited about everything we just talked about, then what I want you to do next is you'll see a link below. Click that link where we're gonna go through step by step on how you can be a professional affiliate marketer. And for those of you that wanna have the chance to win something from this amazing channel, we give out things every single week, but you gotta comment below. So if you're excited about that, click the link below, like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. You'll be so happy that you did, and we'll see you soon.